Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to install the tools and virtualization stuff on your laptop or computer that you're going to be using in the UCI Cybersecurity Bootcamp um, course. So before we get started, real quick, the operating systems that are currently supported are Windows 10, pretty much any version, everything from home to Pro to Enterprise. Mac OS 10 or OS X, as some people call it, 10.13 or 10.14 or higher. RAM, you can get by with 16 gigabytes, but the recommendation is if you can do 32 gigabytes. 8 gigabytes just isn't going to cut it. Your machine is going to be just running so slow all the time. And then 100 gigabytes of free disk space would be good. 300 gigabytes would be even better, especially depending on the number of virtual machines that you want to deploy and so on. All right, so let's go ahead and get started here. Let's log into our Windows machine. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do is set the execution policy so that it will allow us to run, PowerShell scripts, and these are the remote installation scripts for Chocolatey. So let's go ahead and start by starting a PowerShell. So go down here to the bottom left in the search box where it says type here to search. Just click on that and type in PowerShell. In this case, we need to run as administrator because we're going to be installing software, modifying things on the system. Click on Run as Administrator. When it pops up with, do you want to allow this app to make changes to this device? Windows PowerShell. Verified Publisher is Microsoft Windows. Just click to say yes. And now we want to resize our window so that the whole thing fits cleanly on the desktop without losing anything under like the taskbar. All right, so the first thing that we need to do is do a get execution policy. So you can type in get exec. I need to do it again. Get hyphen exec, then hit the tab for command line completion, and then hit enter. You can see that the current mode is restricted, so just write that down, keep a note. Whatever value your machine currently has, you need to set it back to that to keep it secure. So now we're going to do the set execution policy. So type in set hyphen exec and hit tab for command line completion. And then type in all signed. Hit enter. When it prompts you as to whether you want to make this change, actually, let me just read it to you real quick. It says, the execution policy helps to protect you from scripts that you do not trust. Changing the execution policy might expose you to the security risks described in the about underscore execution underscore policies help topic at the gomicrosoft.com website. Do you want to change this execution policy? And yes, I do. And actually, I'm just going to say A for yes to all. All right, so that's done. You can up arrow a couple times, and so that you see the get execution policy